Hello Pinches, welcome back again. We are going to do another episode of Hakka Noodles with chicken. I have 3/4 pounds of chicken already cut and cleaned in vinegar and salt. I cut it like strips, so it will, you can fry it fast. It won't take too long to fry it. So I'm going to marinate this with a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. So I'm going to marinate it and fry it in sesame oil. You can use it in any oil. So this is Hakka noodles. See, this is the noodles. It's one of the vegetable noodles. So this I have taken 250 grams of Hakka noodle. So this I'm going to boil it in hot water, and I added 1 teaspoon of salt. Then after cooked, you have to rinse it with the cold water from chicken. Then add 1 teaspoon of oil, just to rub it. Then what else we need? So this is sesame oil that I have it. After we cook the chicken, we are going to have 2 eggs. So I'm going to scramble this. Then we're going to put another 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm going to put this ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon each, and 1 green chili I minced. Then 1 medium onion, already sliced. Then I have this carrot, slightly thinly sliced, very thinly. This is 1 cup. 1 cup of cabbage, and a half cup of this green onions. So this is the white part, this is a green part. We can garnish this. And this is bell pepper red, green bell pepper. It's a half cup each. This is a sauce. I'm going to use it. I just wanted to see the bottle. That's why I didn't put it in the container. Red chili sauce, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, and a green chili sauce, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. If you want to use a little bit more for hot, you can use that. Then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and this vinegar, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Then 2 tablespoons of ketchup, tomato ketchup. You can use any ketchup. So this is just this from the Indian store. So I just wanted to see. And vinegar. So these are the sauce that I'm going to put it. We can marinate the chicken, then I'm going to cook the noodles first. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a half teaspoon of this is the Kashmiri chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I want you to see the bottle, that's why. It's a big bottle there. You can buy the small one if you like. So I'm going to use it. The water is boiling already, because I don't want you to waste time. So the water depends on the pot. I added 10 cups. But if you have a bigger pot, you may have to add more water. So I'm going to put this like that.
And Hakka noodles are specific noodle. It's not spaghetti noodles. This is
vegetable noodles.
Noodle you got.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the egg. Put it in a container so we can make it faster. I don't want. You know how to break the egg, right? So we did that. So other thing, instead of putting one after another, so I'm going to put all these sauces, so make it fast.
Yep.
Okay. So tomato ketchup.
And you can use any ketchup.
Any ketchup is fine, yeah. I happen to have this. So we're going to have 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So when you add soy sauce, just be careful, because it's salty. It's going to be 1 teaspoon green chili.
Is the green chili a little spicy?
Yeah, it's very spicy.
So is that one they could do less of if they?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 1 teaspoon. If anybody likes to have a little bit more, that's fine.
Red chili sauce.
So chili sauce. Other one is 1 teaspoon vinegar.
Ooh.
1 teaspoon.
Got it.
Okay. So we got all that. No. So 250 milliliter Hakka noodles and 1 teaspoon salt and enough water to boil. So I'm going to put some cold water. You can see?
Yeah. Kind of.
So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of
That was sesame oil, right, Mommy?
sesame oil. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and fry the chicken.
Okay.
And if you'd like to have a little bit more, that's fine, but I'm adding a little too.
Okay.
Yeah, that same oil is good enough.
Okay.
So put that on the side. So we add another tablespoon
Sesame oil.
sesame oil. So there we go. So I'm going to add the ginger. And if you add a little bit more oil, you can though. But I feel like this is good enough. So, yeah. So then I'm going to add the medium. So I'm going to add the carrot. Cabbage. I'm going to add the onion, the white part.
Okay.
And we do whatever. Bell pepper. Instead of adding one after another, that's why I put it
You
together.
just made a concoction.
Yeah,
Now Mommy's mixing it. Just so
I
you
just
see.
mix it. But otherwise, you know, you can add chili sauce. After that, you can add. But you can add the chicken first, if you want. Then you can add, you know, that's okay. Either way is all right. Before I add the sauce, you can add the chicken.
Okay, so any order?
Yeah. Before I add, you know, you can add the chicken, then sauce, or you can add the sauce, then chicken. That's fine. We're going to add so we added that. So after I add the noodles, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. No, we didn't add any salt. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Oh.
Yeah. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of pepper.
And then mix really well.
Mix, yep. So you can take it, see, mix it with a fork and a spoon.
And the back of the spoon.
Yep. So now we're going to add our green chili. I keep a little bit, you know, when you put it on the garnish. Our Hakka noodle with chicken is ready to go. And please, you know, share it, subscribe it, and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Pinchers. And if you put your mind to it, you can do it.